Welcome back to my channel Nley Self-Study. In this video, I'll explain one important question from application of integrals. Let's solve it together.
So the question is, find the area of the region bounded by x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse. So what we can do here is, if you put x equal to 0, then what we will get is y square by 9 equal to 1, y square equal to 9, and y equal to plus or minus 3. And then if I put y equal to 0, then x square by 16 is equal to 1, x square equal to 16, and x is equal to plus or minus 4. So that is how we find out the coordinates. Now let us draw the figure. So when you draw the figure, we have the x-axis and the y-axis, and now we plot the points. X equal to 0 means y-axis. And what is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is plus or minus 3. So plus 3 over here and minus 3 over here. And then y equal to 0. What is the x coordinate over there? X coordinate is plus 4 and minus 4. So 4, and here it is minus 4. So minus 4, 0 and 4, 0. Here it will be 0, 3 and 0, comma minus 3. Now we'll join all the coordinates together so that we'll get an ellipse. So this is our ellipse, and we can see that an ellipse is symmetrical about both the axes. So we are planning to find the area of this portion, only this portion. I will name it as O, A and B. We'll find the area of OAB and then just multiply by 4, and that will give us the area of the ellipse. So for that we can write area bounded by ellipse is equal to 4 into area of OAB. So now we are going to find out the area of OAB. Area of OAB is equal to integral. We know that the ellipse is like this. And if you take y into integral y dx, you have to take from 0 to this 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 y dx. Now the next question is, what is y? So from the equation of ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, we can find the expression for y. 1 minus x square by 16, take the LCM by 16. So y square equal to 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. So what will be y then? Square root of 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. So when you take the square root, you will get 3 by 4 into root of 16 minus x square. And therefore, when you substitute in the formula, it will be integral 0 to 4, 3 by 4 into root of 16 minus x square into dx.
So we have already studied that integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. And this formula we are going to make use of in this question. So this is equal to 3 by 4 into integral 0 to 4 root of 16 minus x square dx. And now applying the formula, we will get x by 2 into root of 16 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 4 square by 2, 16 by 2 sine inverse x by a is 4, and you have to put the limit. Now we have to substitute the value. First we'll do the upper limit. So upper limit is 4, so x is 4. 4 by 2 into root of 16 minus, again 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Sine inverse 4 by 4 is 1. Now minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. So we have to apply. So it will be 0 by 2 into root of 16 minus 0. plus 16 by 2 is 8, sine inverse 0 by 4. This is equal to 3 by 4 into 4 by 2 will become 2, but inside the root it will be 0, plus 8 into sine inverse 1. What is sine inverse 1? It is pi by 2. And the other terms will become 0. So this is equal to 3 by 4 into 8 into pi by 2. So when you cancel, 2 will get cancelled and we will get 3 pi. So this is the area of the small portion. That means only OAB. OAB is 3 pi. Now what is the area of the ellipse? Therefore we can write area. Therefore area of ellipse is equal to, since it is symmetric about both the axes, we can write it as 4 into area of this region is 3 pi. So 4 into 3 pi, and therefore we can write as 12 pi square units. So area of ellipse is 12 pi square units.